In this tutorial, we will see that how you can join PlayStation Party on PC in just few steps. So let's dive in. So there are two steps. Firstly, from desktop, click on search and type here settings. Open it. On the left top side, you will find Bluetooth and devices. Click on that and you will see your devices here. You have to open your devices and here, if you scroll down, you will see your all devices that connected are here. Then what you need is click on this add device and here you have to choose the kind of device that you want to add. Select everything else and then it will start connecting to add device. What you can do is you can open Bluetooth from your mobile. I have already connected my phone like you can see is in other devices Nokia 3.4. Now in the second step, click on search and search for Microsoft Store. Open it and in the search bar you can type here Bluetooth audio receiver. Open it. Open the first one. You have to install it. I already installed it. I will open it. After installing this, it will show here your Bluetooth name and here you have to click on this open connection and that's it. So that's how you can join PlayStation Party on PC in just few steps.